How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up your WhatsApp campaign in Brevo. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and what you guys would need to do first is you want to open you want to open your Brevo account, and there are actually two ways. You could either use the application, or you could log into your Brevo account via the browser. So once you guys are here, you want to log in, and once you're in the dashboard, you want to look for you basically want to follow this path here. So it goes campaigns and then WhatsApp. So this should be in your dashboard right away. So what you would want to do is click on it, and then there should be an option that pops up that says create a campaign. So from here, you want to give your campaign a name. So in this case, I guess it's Summer Sales 23. So I guess it's a promo for WhatsApp and Brevo. So you want to click on Start. And when you guys go to configure the From section, basically the sender, you want to click on Edit. So to do so is simple. You just want to click on the box, and then you want to input your WhatsApp phone number, or basically the phone number that you want to associate with the campaign. So in this case, I guess it's this one. And once you're done, you want to simply hit Save. Now it should take you to this page here where you get to select some recipients for the campaign. So it could be within a group of people, like let's say subscribers or followers, or your friends list on WhatsApp or whatever, or people who've had previous engagements with your campaign. So you get to add that here. So it's pretty cool. So you get to send it to multiple users on WhatsApp. So it's pretty simple. Or additionally, you could send it to everyone and enter some groups in the exclude list that you don't want to include or you don't want receiving this message. So once you guys do that, simply hit save and then send. And that should honestly be it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.